Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are here in Lake Amador. Look, so many flowers. Ayan, we're at the hill, and on that other side there's another kind of flower, and look at the view. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. This is like a natural lake. Well, not a natural lake, probably a man-made lake, but has like a slide, and we are in the top. We are on the top of the hill. Crazy, right? So we're like on top of the hill. We're like on top of the hill, but there's a road going there. If you can see, there's like cars. And it's like on top of the hill, but there's like a man-made lake. You got me. Yeah. So that's my niece, Thea, and my kid. And then there's also a slide on that side. There's also a volleyball where you can play. And then this is just one of the lake. There's also like a big one down there where they do fishing and boating. And right now we're here in this lake. It's like a lake pool. Maybe. So big, Amina, I love you.
What?
I love you.
Okay.
For me?
What? I'm not paying attention right now. Oh.
Is it for me?
He's getting attacked. Watch out.
Aww.
He's getting attacked.
It's literally up in the hill. Up in the hill. And that's my nephew. Taking a picture of the bird. He likes to take a picture of birds. Murag trangka. Murag trangka sa farm. There you are. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hello. Hi, are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? Uh-oh. There's only one. It's looking at me. I got you, dear. Smile. Smile in the camera. Where are you heading to? Why are you alone? Why are you alone, dear? Dagan ka, dear, ha? Corner na ginusara. Bye. Bye, dear. Ay, sigla tagaw, dear, ha? Kay karnihon jugas mga sunog baga. Karnihon ka sa sunog baga, dear. You're lost, ha? Are you lost? Are you eating? Oh, you are eating. What are you eating? Bye. Kapispol sa lugar. Kapispol sa lugar. So mommy is preparing for the s'mores.
Some more.
And the kids are doing the S'mores.
Benki, you want hot dog? Where's Benki?
That should be cooked.
Babe, you want hot dog?
Okay,
Hot dog or sausage?
where's the bun?
It's in the plastic bag.
Huh?
The one I gave. No, not the van. The
It's in
van.
the car. Oh, wow.
B is making
Okay.
s'mores with a hot dog.
Okay. Okay.
Tell them how to do the s'mores.
I cannot do that. Well, cause I'm
Your marshmallow.
Can you like help me?
You don't know how to make it.
No, I mean like with that.
With what? Your hot dog?
Yes, it's gonna fall.
Ay, ay, ay.
You want more?
S'mores. S'mores, s'mores, s'mores. S'mores, s'mores, s'mores.
Blow it out. Blow it out. Blow it out. Blow it out. Blow it
Okay,
out.
okay, okay, okay.
Stop looking at it. It's still in. It's still there.
It's part of the drill.
Okay, yeah.
In case you wanted to have more.
Okay.
Sige lang, mosquito. It's okay. It's okay. You look very hungry. Okay, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. But warning, warning, mosquito. High in cholesterol. Ma-high blood jud ka. Ma-high blood jud ka kay nagpaakan ako. Sige, go. So that's our campsite, guys. It's all cleaned up now. Dinner is done. And some people are taking a shower. And some of us are just hanging out. Like myself. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And to keep an update on my video, press subscribe and like to follow my next video. Bye. Thank you.